Holy crap. It's in. You are watching the first unboxing of the skate cycle on YouTube. The first. I'm pretty sure other people have it. This is the first unboxing video. So it's from Brooklyn Workshop. Costs about $150, $180 to get delivered. Oh man. Guess what? It's a box inside of a box. So, just came back from school today. Nothing else inside of the box. If you want to actually see, this is from it's them. Brooklyn Workshop. Put this down. Don't drop my phone. There we go. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to keep it plain for a little bit, and then I'm probably going to color it. Well, not color it like a fag, but like there's a paint store across from my house, so there it is. Good friend of mine has this already. I can't even ride this. I could ride a ripstick, longboard, skateboard, longboard is like it's easiest to ride, but you know, ripstick I learned how to ride that easily, but this is probably the hardest I've ever seen. So this is a little far. There. Okay. So it comes with a little handle over here. I don't know if I'm speaking loud enough or not, but if it's that bad, I'll stop that. I'll have another look at this. 8 days. 9 days. 9. So it's a box inside of a box, and what seems to be is another box inside of a box, I think. Oh. This is some kind of cover. Okay, so it doesn't come out any more than that, I think. I don't know, I'm probably retarded. But how far is this from you guys? Oh, you guys can see it. I like the box it comes in. Oh. There's just multiple. Oh, there it is. So that's the manual. Read and understand entire manual before riding. How about I just ride it? That's all that comes in the box. It's a light box too. Yeah. Sick. This is foam bends and after writing.